replacing GPU fan on HP Omen 15 gaming laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Shana, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The GPU fan on this Omen 15 was replaced due to signs of wear and failure that were beginning to impact the laptop's performance. Over time, gaming laptops like the Omen 15 generate a significant amount of heat, and when the cooling system, especially the GPU fan, starts malfunction, it can lead to overheating, thermal throttling, and long-term hardware damage. In this case, the fan was producing abnormal noise and was no longer spinning efficiently, resulting in reduced airflow across the GPU. By replacing the faulty fan was a smart and necessary decision to restore proper cooling performance, protect the internal components from heat-related issues, and ensure the laptop continues to deliver stable and optimal performance during gaming or any demanding tasks. Replacing GPU fan is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your replaced GPU fan too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.